So today's recipe is another great one that you definitely have to try, and I'm sure you're going to love it. We are making some kamande or lentils with a special ingredient. So for a special ingredient, we have some coconut cream, and this will really come in handy for this recipe. I also have my kamande, and as I showed you in last month's episode, we no longer soak or boil our lentils, we just cook them as they are. I've just selected this, yani nimezichagua tu, and as you can hear, they are very dry. They have not come into contact with any water. So that means I haven't boiled my lentils, and we are going to be having this for dinner. This gets ready in about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll start by washing this, then we'll proceed to the other side and we will get started. So once my spray is hot enough, I'll go in with some cooking oil. Then once that is also hot, I'll go in with my garlic and ginger. Then once that is fragrant, once you start smelling the garlic and ginger in the air, I'll go in with my onions. And I'm going to cook this till they turn translucent, just how I like them. Then once I'm happy with that, I'll go in with my tomato paste. If at all you have the tomatoes, you can use that, but I do not have tomatoes to give, so I'll just be using what I have. Then I'm going to add some water so that my tomato paste can cook a little bit faster. Then I'll give this about a minute, then I'll be back. So about a minute later, I'm happy with this, and I'll go in with my washed lentils. Then I'm also going to add in my other veggies, and I have some capsicum, some coriander stems, and some carrots. Then I have a seasoning cube. I'll go in with some curry powder. Then I'll go in with some salt as well. Then once everything is well combined, you can see what we have. I'll go in with my water. So you'll need a generous amount of water so that the lentils can cook properly. Then I'm going to cover this and give it exactly 25 to 30 minutes, and mine usually get ready in about 28 minutes. So I'll set my timer and I'll see you then. Finally, my stew is ready, and remember we had some coconut cream. I'll add that in. Then I'll switch that off. I'll go in with my coriander. And as you seen, it was that simple. So you can serve this with your favorite carbs. You can serve this with chapati. You can serve this with rice. And you can see how thick it is. Wow, this is so good. This one will really slap with naan or chapati. Wow. The coconut cream that you've added towards the end is definitely a game changer. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.